Okay, hey guys, this is the first time I'm doing a voice cover of a gaming channel video. Okay. Anyway, we are gonna be playing like an uncut video of her the cow sing in Roblox. And there's Elsie. She's beautiful. She is Savage Cow. Oh my, I just got revived. Okay, so now I'm into this. I have a death note. But I'm gonna die. Ah! No. Okay, well, you know, I wasn't even in that game to begin with, so it's okay. So yes, this is a video that we're gonna be doing uncut, so enjoy our beautiful cringiness.
I'm here.
Yeah, and then that's Emily. She's pity quit. She's on her alt account, so don't hate. She just doesn't have Robux on this account. Okay, a new round is starting soon, so.
Oh
no. Snowed in.
Scattered.
Oh, snowed in.
Snowden sucks.
Snowed in's the best.
No,
I'm telling.
best.
No, snowed in. Snowed in. You know what? Fine. I will pick scattered. No. Snowden is better than Spleef, so let's pick Snowden.
Snowden isn't one.
But Spleef is. No. It's actually a whole house.
No, it isn't. It sucks. It's one room where we all die.
No, it's not one room. That's true. No, Spleef sucks.
You see, this is chaos.
See, there's more than one room, girl. If you put a thing in the... Oh. Should I cash out? Oh, holy moly. We are zombies. I only got 2 coins. Ooh, let's get Eli. Eli, no! Oh. Okay. Well, that's something. Someone's got a Minecraft sword, so we're kind of doomed. Oh! Such low health bar. That guy just died.
Why we don't like Snowden, guys?
I love Snowden.
No, we don't.
Ow! Yeah. He's got a sword! Wait, is that you?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, please don't kill me.
I thought it was someone else.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm Baby Yoda. So...
I can't kill this person.
I teleported behind you. No, please don't hurt me. Please don't hurt me.
I'm not gonna hurt you. My feeling.
I've got a fedora.
I have a banana.
Hi, Hazel. Sorry if I'm saying your name wrong.
That's a banana.
A banana. Cool. Oh! He's back.
I have a teleporting device.
A teleporting device? Okay, I keep getting life
Can I just
stealed.
kill the life stealer?
Please. Please
Kill the
do.
life stealer.
Oh my gosh,
I'm
the
gonna life
Me too. A life stealer's really overpowering in this house.
Exactly. This is why we don't like life stealers.
Orange, go die.
Can you kill the life stealer, guys? I can't. I'm literally.
She's gonna die. Oh.
Yes, the banana is regenerating my health. Thank goodness. Now I'm on fire.
Oh no, are you okay? Frozen. Oh no. If the life stealer comes, I'm doomed. Oh no, please don't hurt me, pity quits.
I'm not trying to hurt you. I'm trying to survive because I'm on fire. Why won't the snow stop me from...
Who knows? Oh no. Here I go, guys. This is the end. I've loved you all.
Hope I'm dead.
Oh, he's leaving. Let's go. Well, that was just dramatic for no reason.
I'm probably immortal. I'll spectate. Funny, you guys.
Run, Rudolph. Santa's got it. Ah! Is that you?
No. I'm dead. I've been dead.
Well,
I'm so mad you're with that.
my death chat says I left the oven on. Super fun.
Then how is Elsie dead too?
Oh, I don't know what her death chat
Better.
was.
No.
Elsie's just Elsie's better.
Hey, that's cool. Oh, that ain't cool. That's malfunction. You're better at hiding.
Get him. I'm going for a raccoon. Oh, you're in the tree. That's where you are.
I was running around frantically.
I just want this guy to kill everyone so that we can like start a new game. I think that's a bit selfish, but I mean.
Someone's killing me anyways. I died.
Oh, you died? Oh, that's the person I was rooting for. So that they would kill everyone, but not you.
But that is kind of hypocritical.
Get 'em. I love how we turned into zombies like the minute we started.
I have the acid rain pet. That's the only pet I have. I have
Acid rain pet.
I
Yeah,
have zero
my
limit
house
to
is
count.
kind of. Ooh, gifts. Oh, I already opened mine.
Wait,
my
where's
house
the
is
gift?
just.
Where's the gift?
You just get a star ornament that I have on my tree.
That's kind of cute.
Or my house. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna do my original.
Yeah, she doesn't have any.
Well, I mean, she's new because this is her alt.
Wait.
Okay, there we go. You are low health. I don't understand how you're low health in this. You're gonna start with low health. It's not gonna be good. Oh,
You're
I'm
at
low health too.
I'm not.
You're not. No, that's not how it works. That's not how it works.
Jump on you. I think it's my pet. That?
No, your pet's not harming you. I don't think it would.
No, it isn't.
Hey guys, what should we do?
Classic.
Okay, let's do it. I mean, line is cool, but
Mine sucks. Mine is good.
line's not bad.
It's not bad, but it's good. Let it be fun.
I was looking around for my chocolate for a hot second, but then I remembered I ate it already.
Depression.
Right?
You're talking to yourself when you said this was gonna be uncutted. Great.
I know, this is uncutted. Hey,
People are gonna think you're psychopath.
you know what? It's okay. It's okay.
How can people have 387 wins? I'm on the end.
Squid. You're on the end.
Hi!
Ah! She's next to me. Run. Wow, I fell off. That was dangerous. I don't think that's gonna work.
You like killing me today!
Nope, not today.
I don't kill my friends, which means if you kill me, I won't
I'm
kill
not
you.
gonna kill you.
But I'm gonna have a hold of grudge for you for the rest of the day.
That would be pretty sad.
So don't kill me. If we get into a duel, it's whoever wins. No, we just don't have to kill each other.
Yeah.
It's that simple!
It's always whoever has the most wins dies, so tell the other person. That's what we do.
Yep.
Elsie used to be ahead of me, and now
Which means she dies
I'm
first,
ahead of her.
then I die, then you die.
Yes.
So if we're left, I would get it. If we're left, you would get it.
Super fair.
And if
What?
we were left,
What the crap?
you would get
What
it.
the crap is this? I'm getting scammed.
Yeah, they
I'm
can't see
gonna
that. I wish I could zoom out to show them. Elsie's house is full, so yeah. Oh, that house is getting. The house got lowered. It's not getting lowered. It got lowered. Santa's coming to town. Let's go.
I want a present.
I want a present.
Yay.
One time I got an egg from one of these. Hammer.
Oh, I got a
my house! You were just so happy about that.
For obvious reasons. Girl, come to mind. Just take away that hammer. Unequip the hammer.
Never.
Then
But if you die, then I can. Atomic bomb.
it's mine, not an atomic bomb.